This is the box. I'm not going to show you the other side because it has my information on it. I'm just going to open it up from the bottom and hopefully I'm not going to cut into the product. When you open it, so it's nicely packaged all together. It has some bubble wrap on the inside and it says Samorga on it. I'm really enjoying this packaging. I like how it's not flattened. Look at that, it's so neat. It protects the shape of it. It doesn't have any dents on the side. It's completely sealed like so. Slide out the packaging. Inside has this air packaging, which I like. On the pocket here, it just says Samorga on it. It's just a tag with the little information on the back side. So you're not supposed to wring it out or bleach it, but you can dry clean it and iron it on medium temperature. So if there's any spills, you can wipe it off immediately. It's made with 100% polyester and this is from Korea. It's definitely a thinner material. It has 8 pockets. This is attached. I will give you the measurements. The width is approximately 9 inches. Height is approximately 5.5. The side is approximately just over 5 inches. I'm going by the seams here. We are going to stuff this. Is the iPad going to fit? No. The iPad does not fit when it's in its case. I just took the iPad out of the case. Oh my gosh, guys, it fits. But the thing is, I'm very scared to have the iPad just like this. So I probably would not carry it like this. This is too risky for me. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna keep it in here so you guys can see. I have my Manfrotto tripod that I'm just gonna stick in here. You guys would know to put a water bottle. If you guys want more room, obviously push this off to the side and it becomes a bigger area here. For now, I'm just gonna stick the tripod in there. Glasses case in here. Feminine products. 2 pens, which I would put in here actually if I didn't have the iPad. But for now, here beside the tripod. Key clay, I'm gonna put side here. My sketchbook, hand sanitizer, which is gonna go right in here. Little Kleenex, Vaseline because my lips are constantly dry. My makeup case, cell phone, probably my headphones here. Last but not least, I have my agenda. So far, I'm gonna say that I do like this organizer better than the original club one. It seems to be fitting everything better. It's comfortably fitting. It's not as heavy because this is a thinner felt. Now the real test to see if this all fits into the Speedy. So I'm just gonna take everything back out. I have here an empty Speedy B25. So I'm going to show you how to put this organizer in here. So what you want to do is just pinch the sides in so it becomes a bit folded up like so. And in the Speedy, you want to put it on in an angle so it fits in here. Ooh. Okay, so then you just have to turn it and put it down where the organizer ends and the bag. This one actually seems to be sitting more snug this way than it is this way. Now I'm gonna put everything that I had in the organizer now in the bag with it. Because the opening's small, it's a little hard to access these sides. So everything that you have to put in here has to go on an angle, which is kind of a struggle. And I can tell you right now that this iPad, I am struggling to get this in properly. I don't want to damage my iPad, so I don't like how it's hard to get this in. If I wanted, I could put it this way, but it's hitting the zipper and I don't like that. I'm gonna put the tripod in, the hand sanitizer, my 2 pens. I have an agenda. I don't think I'd be taking this everywhere, but I'm gonna put it in here anyways to show you guys. A little sketchbook. Feminine products, I think I would put a little less in here because it is quite full. Makeup bag, Vaseline, key clay, Kleenex, glasses case, the headphones. I'll probably be having these in my pocket, to be honest with you. Phone, both of these, everything seems to be fitting except for the iPad, which I'm kind of sad about. Something to note is that right now with what I have in here, it's not hitting the sides when I lift it, so it's not going to make that indentation line that some people have issues with organizers. This is looking a little odd here because there's room. If you like the slouchy look, don't get the organizer, because there's not much in the side here. It's gonna pull up here and it's gonna create this weird kind of concave effect. But that's if you're pulling it from the handle, obviously. But if you have it on the sides, it's fine. It just has a very structured shape with an organizer. First impressions though, definitely I do like it more than the original club one because it is thinner and lighter. It does not have as much bulk.